Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common issue that many Windows 11 users face, the inaccessible boot device error. This error can prevent your computer from booting up correctly, leaving you stuck at the Windows 11 loading screen. But don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's walk through the steps on how to fix this issue. First off, before we jump into more complex solutions, try a simple restart. Sometimes the inaccessible boot device error can be temporary and a weak reboot might clear the problem. If that doesn't work and the error resists, don't panic. We will move on to the next solution. Next, we are going to make sure that your boot order is set correctly. The inaccessible boot device error can sometimes occur if your computer is trying to boot from the wrong drive. To do this, restart your PC, and as soon as it begins booting, press the BIOS key. This is usually F2, F10, escape, or delete. It varies depending on the manufacturer, so keep an eye on the screen for the right key to press. Once you are in the BIOS or UEFI menu, navigate to the Boot tab. Ensure that your main hard drive or SSD is set as the first boot device. Save the changes and exit. If your boot order is correct and the error resists, the next step is to run the Startup Repair tool. To do this, you will need to access the Windows recovery environment. First, you will want to restart your computer while it's booting interrupts the process by turning the computer off once the Windows logo appears. Do this 2 or 3 times and Windows should automatically enter the recovery mode. Once in Windows Recovery Environment, select Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options and choose Startup Repair. Windows will now attempt to automatically fix any startup issues, including the inaccessible boot device error. The process may take some time, so be patient. Sometimes outdated or corrupted drivers, especially the storage drivers, can cause the inaccessible boot device error. If you're able to boot into safe mode or Windows recovery environment, try updating or reinstalling your storage drivers. In Device Manager, locate your IDE/ATA/ATABI controllers and right-click to uninstall or update them. Restart your PC afterward. If you have tried all of the above and problem still isn't resolved, it might be worth checking if there is a hardware issue with your hard drive or SSD. You can try connecting your drive to another PC or use a third-party disk checking tool to diagnose any hardware problems, and that's it. These steps should help you fix the inaccessible boot device error on your Windows 11 PC. Hopefully one of these solutions work for you and you're back up and running. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more helpful tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.